bring something in here, like a gun or something. Like
somebody could have dropped one of them workers.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. People should get in here if it really wants to.
But that's what made it scarier. Because like you said, you didn't see us and Kaylin. That's what made it even scarier to me.
I said dance, not fuck. Don't get it confused. Then we gotta do this 2 more times. You heard me. We gotta do this 2 more times.
We gotta do this one time. I'm dropping your ass.
No, the fuck you not.
I'm not doing this.
Come on, Kaylin.
I'm gonna be here at 7 o'clock.
Okay, I can do that, but bitch, you coming? Yeah, she's Sunday. It's a couple people I want to see tomorrow though. Y'all, we had a hard time tonight, but we made it. Straight. Baby, my fucking feet hurt, my back hurt.
I'm walking like a pregnant bitch. That's how bad my back hurts.
And then we gotta walk all the way down this hole. I was like, bitch, what's up with the what's up?
What do you think for your friends? That's the only thing I want to know.
A real bitch. The only thing we think is the boobs. Okay, what we gonna eat? Huh? So you gonna eat McDonald's?
Yeah, I think that's right. And probably some fries. Honestly, if we got some Wendy's,
Yeah, I need to go with Wendy's.
And then the new barbecue sauce. The new barbecue sauce.
Bitch, that shit is so fucking good.
The new barbecue sauce?
The new barbecue sauce at Wendy's. Bussin', period. Bussin'.
With the
Bro.
strawberry lemonade?
Look at my nose. I'm sweating. That shit terrible. I'm ready to take all this shit off, and I'm not putting on makeup. I'm not putting on makeup.
Yachty brought out Miami. She performed again.
Miami. Bro, we really been at this hole all day. All fucking day. Literally all fucking day. Period. Got the sub. Got the drink. Very much bad bitch. Our hotel nice as fuck for.
So cute.
This is our hotel.
Pull a track off the show. Took too hard, don't count his wages. Told me I needed to go to fucking nigga with the fofo.
Then keep left to merge onto I-95 North.
No strings attached, that's it. You know I gotta leave, got addictive person. I ain't gonna lie, it's alright, I swing heavy. Yeah, I told you. Some of them oh, say this. She gotta pick it up on the music, say gotta pick it up, you come on, check it out. Keep that them going. You already got them knowing.
You know somebody performed at 7.
Who?
Or the first person at 7. Period. 7:05, so it's 6:30.
Bro, she be killing me. So many fucking people. Then they got us walking in fucking circles. Look at her.
We're gonna get straight to it, y'all. Let's go!
Our Lord had a part way. I drove on my dog stage. I bought this shit. I'm about to die today. Stop blowing up my number and stocking my page. I got a thought. Hey, shots. Just up spot. Woo. Hey, Jeepers, creepers. They got measles. Shit.
Yo, if we can keep going, then say hell yeah. Okay. Let's go.
Okay. Don't wanna run it. Too many fags, too many bitches. Rock my slime, get in my lizard, ready to slide. You get silver, give my slime. Young got a gunner on my prime. And planets on planets on planets. Ran up a check and I'm fucking them bandits, yeah. Money, I got me an M. Hey! Guess I like me a sign. I said that shit, I put it like on my beer here. I pissed this shit a whole meal. I did this shit with no beer. I shot to the street, she get it. I put my kids on the titty. And then she wants, she can get it. Until you see, you can get it. Yeah, he got a key to the building. Real dope boy, ain't trying no car. Real G-Wagon, she already got. Real grown woman, she'll post her by. She take class, I tell her I shot it. I call her. She wants to stand, go get it. She wants to stand, go get it.
If my niggas can do one more song, say hell yeah. Niggas do one more song, say hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Let's go.
You can get a bitch in there like in the stores. You want it, I catch the drill, they set it up, I got them on it. Cause I get paid, that no fight, you don't know my mind. Soon as I get back, shit gets every other night, another dollar getting made. Every other night, started with a good day. Trip too hard, cousin on the floor, you gon' fuck around and drown. Mama, see the way you work. Mama, see the way you work. Where you at?
Hey guys, it's Present Me here. But yeah, I wanted to, okay, so in this next clip, you're gonna see me zoom in on someone's shoe being off. And the reason for that is because, this was like towards the end when day 2 was about to end. So me and Kaylin was sitting down or whatever because we had been in like mosh pits and shit the whole time. So we sat down while India and the vet had they were watching Travis Scott perform. So we was just sitting down chilling. So all of a sudden we see hella people like taking off running. And we like, what the fuck? So we ain't even say what the fuck. We got up, like we grabbed each other and got up, started running fast as fuck. So it was like nothing. So everybody was like, okay, cool. So they went back to what they was doing. So me and Kaylin sat down again. And was the second time when India and them came? I don't know, but the second time we seen them running again. I'm like, what? Like, what is going on? Like, what is really going on? But this time, that's when, like, it was bad. Like, people was falling. People was fucking getting scraped up and shit. It was so crazy. So, like, I don't know if it was just, like, a misunderstanding. Like, people thought they heard or seen something. So, like, they started taking off running. I don't know what it was. But I wasn't going to ask no questions. I just, like, when I see people running, I'm going to run. I ain't asking no questions. I'll ask the questions later, but I'm not asking no questions right now. So, me and Kaylin just got up and took off. So that is why I showed you guys someone missing a shoe.
I was out here with my nigga and he lost me in this.
Okay.
We're
So
breaking
you
up.
don't give a fuck about me, huh?
We're breaking.
You can get to the next window.
They go
You can have the total.
You gotta spit this shit. I don't got time for it.
That is a little big.
That's like me.
Yeah.
Can you get a straw, baby? For me.
Can I get another cup, please? Can I get another cup? There's something in this one.
She said, She said, Yo, this is every day. Stop laughing at her. I'm tired of this shit.
Bro, she said,
And she was trying to have a straight face, but on the fucking lab, big cornball.
bro, I cannot.
Hey y'all, so it is 3:40 something in the morning, and I want to get up early, so I might make this the end of the vlog, or I might just put all 3 days in one vlog, but I don't know. So tired. But yeah, and I got in the shower and washed my face, so it's time for me to go to sleep. Cause I'm doing a vlog. But yeah, I'm trying to go to sleep so I can get up in the morning because I wanna go walking and get drinks and stuff before we go to the concert. But I don't know what we're gonna do. Y'all, I'm not getting these braids ever again. My fucking head itching. But yeah. I'll see you guys in the morning.